Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, beloved Hazur.
वालेकुम सलाम. मैंने तुम्हें पहले बुलाया था कि एनकॉम वाले आ जाओ और दूसरा एनकॉम वाला आ गया और तुम बैठे रहे. अच्छा खैर अब बताओ.
My name is Subhan Ahmed, and my question is that when we are going to do a good deed or are thinking about doing one, Shaitan tries to distract us and lure us away. So at that time, what can we do to ignore him and continue on doing the right thing?
You see, first thing is you pray to Allah that, oh Allah, save us from this Satan the accursed. And for that you read A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. You know the meaning of A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim? You know the meaning of A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim or not? You don't know? You read Quran? Do you read Quran?
Yeah, I do. I forgot it.
Do you read A'udhu billah?
Yes.
You see, Quran was just recited before you and they translated it in A'udhu billah. Oh Allah, save me from
Satan the accursed.
Yes. So always, whenever you see Satan is or Shaitan is trying to distract you from the right path, then you read this. Secondly, now you are of your growing age. Yes? You are 12, 13, 14. This age is very dangerous sometimes because this is the age when Shaitan tries his utmost to distract you from the right path. Right?
Yes.
So you should say A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim and then also recite Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zambin wa atubu ilayh. You learn this Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zambin wa atubu ilayh and then know the meaning of it. Right?
Yeah.
And then when you are continuously reciting it, repeatedly reciting it in your prayers and while you are moving around, then Satan will not overcome you. Right? Thirdly, you should have full determination that you are going to save yourself from Shaitan. Right? If you are determined to save yourself from Shaitan, then you will be saved. And Allah will help you, inshallah, with these two prayers and determination. Right? Okay. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.